Assalamualaikum viewers, I'm Basit Ali. You are watching your own YouTube channel, Heather 5 Vlog. I'm here with a new video. This is a lapping pneumatic machines. Lapping, what is a lapping? Lapping to machining process where is two surface with a particular type of abrasive between them are rubbed by mechanical or manual means. In this process chemical mechanical polishing is typical utilized where materials like plastic, metal, silicon and glass, that's called a lapping. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and inshallah we will meet in next video. Khuda Hafiz.